What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. We got some stuff that's actually forming up here in the Dogecoin. We're actually predicted to rise here, even though it looks like it's stagnant. A lot of people always talk about how Dogecoin lags behind the actual crypto market, but we do have a lot to go over here. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. That's how I got these lights here. So thank you to everyone that's donated to the channel. I'm trying to get a better camera for this whole video, maybe like a stream deck and also stuff like that, and a better mic as well and some other stuff to make the streams a lot more better. So yeah, definitely donate if you all want to. And also, if you want these vital algo indicators, definitely check out the vital algo link inside the description. You can use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off, and they're automated, completely automated, so you'll get all these indicators. But yeah, let's go straight over Dogecoin here today. So the first thing I really want to go over here with Dogecoin is, even though we had this big downtrend here, it's not really that big of a downtrend anyway. It was like from 27 cents all the way down here to 26 cents. It was oversold. It wasn't supposed to happen pretty much. The whales pretty much are manipulating the Dogecoin prices. And I saw what the whales do every day and what they're doing. They're really creating a bear trap. Like, they're trying to make Dogecoin's price artificially drop. The same thing with Shiba Inu. If you look at Shiba Inu's price, those Shiba Inu whales are artificially lowering the price so they can buy in on the dip. That's why I come out and make these videos and let you all know that they're doing stuff like that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but I'm definitely seeing what these whales are doing. They're really manipulating the prices here. Now, the bears are in control of 24-hour market control by 60%. This is pretty much proof right here that they're really manipulating the markets here. But I'm going to go over some individual whale wallets and show you exactly what they're doing and how they're manipulating it. So we're going to be going over that. And yeah, first let's go over the Dogecoin prediction. So Dogecoin price prediction. Doge on the cusp of 25% liquidity run. So Dogecoin price has been in a confused state as it rallied 22% over the past 22 days, right? So Doge market makers are likely to push to collect liquidity resting above 34.3. And also a decisive daily close below the 19.6 area could invalidate what we have going on here for Dogecoin. But anyways, I want to go over the really important stuff, which is pretty much this statement right here. Dogecoin price has been confused state as it rallied 22% over the past days. It's been confused. It doesn't know whether or not it wants to go up or down because the whales are manipulating it. That's pretty much what they're saying there. And then the Doge market makers are likely to push to collect liquidity resting around above 34 cents. So the whales are really trying to push it up there. Now, Dogecoin price primed for a higher high. This is a big statement. So Dogecoin price has bounced off the 22.6 support level twice over the past month and has risen roughly 22% to where it currently stands. So while there was a massive spike in volatility on October 28th, things seem to have returned to normal pretty much. You can kind of see how stagnant Dogecoin's been. It really has returned to normal. And, we had this huge jump right here on the 28th, like they're saying, really big jump. We were really overbought there. You can see here on the vital algo oscillator, it's showing the overbought in volume. So there was way too much volume pretty much purchased in right there. And then what comes after our overbought area? An oversold area. And that's why the red area up here is our supply and demand. It shows that we have less demand in this red area. And then in the green area, it shows we have lots of demand inside Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is really doing some big numbers anyways. So that's why they're saying that 22.6 is our support, because there's so much demand at 22.6 that literally the second it hits it, it'll always bounce back up. And that's why that area is green. And that's why I love the vital algo indicators, because they're automated. You don't really have to do technical analysis. You just look at it and your technical analysis is done for you. I did do this Fibonacci retracement level though, because I always do that. But anyways, let's go to the next one. So Dogecoin price is stuck between 22.6 and 34.3 barriers and anticipates a move above these levels. So it's in the anticipation, but we just got to wait. So the altcoin markets look better than Bitcoin, so investors can expect Doge to trigger a quick run up before it retests a support level. So look, they're saying pretty much we're going to run up here in Dogecoin, but after we have another rise in price action, we're going to have another pullback. As always, we're going to have another pullback. So that's pretty much what's going to be happening there. So moreover, the market makers are also likely to prefer a run above 34.3 to collect liquidity resting in the form of buy stops. Therefore, market participants can expect a 25% ascent in the near future for Dogecoin's price. So after this run up, if Doge produces a decisive daily close above the 34.3 area, the chances of continuing this uptrend will increase massively. However, a failure to do so will result inside a downswing that retests the 22.6 area. So they're pretty much saying, look, if we can't break past 34.3, and that's pretty much our resistance. If we can't break that resistance once we start to rise, then we're going to end up going back down and retesting our 22-cent support. Now, if we break our 22-cent support, they go over here, that we could likely drop down to 19.6, and which is 19 cents pretty much. So on the other hand, if the Dogecoin price fails to climb higher, it will lead lower to retest the 22.6 support level. While it is likely that Doge might wick below this barrier, a daily close above it will indicate the bulls will to push the meme coin higher. So, however, a daily close below 19.6 will invalidate Doge's bullish thesis and inevitably lead it to 16 cents if it can't do that, where it will start the upswing to collect the liquidity above 34.3. So, pretty much what we're seeing here is the whales artificially lowering the price by buying, selling, buying, selling, 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 and then eventually it gets to a point where they like it, and then they just start dumping big money into Dogecoin. And that's really what I wanted to go over right now, because right now they're dumping money in it, but then they take it right out. Like literally right after they put it in there, they take it right out. It's like they're artificially doing this. So over here you can see all of our little Dogecoin prices for the last 30 days and stuff. Not too much price action going on there. So let's go straight over what the whales are doing. So they're doing stuff like this. They're really manipulating the prices. This whale came in earlier today for about 8 hours right here, and they came in with $111 million, $111.6 million, and they sold out at $112.5 million. That's a lot of money. They literally made like $1 million right there. Literally $1 million, $1.1 million within like 8 hours. And a lot of these Dogecoin whales are doing this. I mean, you go over here, you can see this Dogecoin whale, $109 million. They still have it in there, but you better bet they're probably going to take it out of there like tomorrow. So they went from so far 109 million, 109.2 million to 106.1 million. So they lost money. But as the prices continue to rise, as the whales continue to manipulate, their money's going to pretty much go up. So that's what we're going to see with that Dogecoin whale in the near future. Now we got this Dogecoin whale doing more manipulation just like the other ones. This Dogecoin whale came in earlier today around 12 and pretty much came in at $79.7 million. $79.7 million. That's a lot of money. And then when they went out of Dogecoin, $80.2 million. So literally they made about $1 million less than a few hours. The Dogecoin whales are manipulating the prices, doing it big time. Now, over here, you can see this next Dogecoin whale, $75.1 million. That's a lot of money right there. So they're really pumping this right now. And so now it's from 75.1 to 75.2. And I'm going to mention something about this Sheep Army coin because it's been trending a lot. Pretty much with the Sheep Army coin, you pretty much buy the Shiba Army coin and then they pay you inside of Shiba Inu. Pretty much, they pay you inside Shiba Inu rewards. You get Shiba Inu reflections. So that's definitely pretty interesting. But there was a flaw in their code that some other people have actually noticed, and I looked in there. I'm like, yeah, there's a flaw in their contract. I'll show you that actually right after this. But anyways, let's go and look at these last whales. So $79 million to $80 million. And then over here, this whale, 41.2 million to 41.1 million, pretty much just manipulating the prices to their evil doing. 28.5 million, now they're at 28.1. But yeah, let's go over that Shiba Inu coin right there, or that Sheep Army coin, because there's this new Sheep Army coin, but there's something bad inside of the contract. Not necessarily bad, but it's not what you want to see in a crypto that you want to invest in. But it definitely has good tokenomics. I'm not going to lie there. Now, it's down 51% right now. I'm going to make a whole nother video on this because I was going to buy it, but I'm seeing some fishy stuff going on here. So first things first, just go over here to the Sheep Army BSC. So pretty much if you don't know what Sheep Army token is, I already told you pretty much, you get reflections inside of Shiba Inu if you buy this Binance Smart Chain token. And they give it to you inside Shiba Inu pretty much. Maximum 100 trillion tokens, 1% out of each contributions towards automatically generating liquidity. 8% out of each trade is distributed to the Sheep Army holders inside SHIB tokens. So you pretty much get the Binance pegged Shiba Inu token, which is pretty much the same thing because it's Shiba Inu. It's just Binance pegged. And then 1% out of each transaction contributes to the Sheep Army marketing wallet. So none of that is fishy. Like that's all good stuff right there. I'm gonna make a whole video about this and go over it. But the main thing I do want to show you all is inside of their light paper. So it's either inside of their light paper or their audit. Their audit is inside of their light paper. So over here you can see their audit report. If you go actually to their audit report, you can open up the PDF and let's scroll down here. I'm pretty much just gonna show you this and then I'll make a whole nother video on it. So the contract name, they literally took the contract from Baby Token. They didn't make their own contract. They took the same contract from Baby Token and they made it their own. And this is the problem that I see with this Sheep Army thing, because it should be the Sheep Army contract. They shouldn't take another crypto's contract and then make it their own. If you look over here and look up Baby Token, you can see Baby Token. It's pretty much I don't want to say it's a pump and dump, but this is Baby Token pretty much. This is Baby Token, and they took the contract from this, which is definitely pretty fishy in my personal opinion. Let me know what you all think about this Sheep Army token, but I think it's just pretty fishy that when they were audited, they literally took the contract name from Baby Token. They took it, and yeah, it's just it just seems a little fishy that they did that. So the Sheep Army is the token tracker, all this good stuff. And you see here, contract name, Baby Token. So they literally stole a contract. Which is definitely not something you want to see. But anyways, their results are still low risk for all their vulnerabilities with the actual audit. So I don't know. It may have some good stuff that could happen with it, but right now, considering it is down a whole lot, like 50 something percent, I would definitely say steer clear from this until we know exactly why they took that contract. So, yeah, anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. Definitely let me know what you think about Dogecoin and what you think about this Sheep Army token. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to help this support the channel and do cool stuff like this, I definitely would appreciate that. So check out the Cash App, PayPal links in the description. I'll be getting a new camera for the streaming. I'll be getting Stream Deck and a bunch of other good stuff. Nice mic, all that good stuff. And then I will be doing live streams sooner or later, but I'm really busy. I just got done working 12 hours today. And today was like my off day, but I went in for overtime because I'm trying to get that money, put it into Dogecoin, baby Dogecoin, and some other different things that I'm investing in. So I'm definitely spending a lot of time doing that. And then I went to the gym for like 2 hours after that. So my whole day has been work. And now I'm coming here and working for you guys. So yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, donate if you want to. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.